I stand waiting for you forever. I hope that you see me somehow, but you never do. Just like the summers when we always knew I would come back to you.
Hey everyone, welcome to another vlog of mine. So it is right now, hold on a second, raining. So if I stop recording out of nowhere, it's because I feel like my phone's gonna die any second if I don't. So I'm kind of hoping that I can at least get a few minutes before my camera needs to go in my pocket. So anyways, so today has been day 2 of crazy women who think it's okay to come into a grocery store without a mask. This lady had her son who was looking at his either Nintendo DS or some phone app thing, while the mother was complaining and bitching, pardon my language, for about 20 minutes straight. First, it was to the person that was letting people in at the door. Then it was to the 2 managers. And then it was to the assistant manager. So in total, from the 1 person to 4 people, it was approximately about 20 minutes long. Freaking, nuts. So, and then the poor cop who just happened to be in that area at the time, she goes bitching at him, and I'm pretty sure she lost that fight because I'm pretty sure the cop decided on the grocery store, not her side. So anyways, hope you guys watched Stargirl last night. It was a great episode. Love the show. Looking forward to the next episode. AEW Dynamite's on tonight, and Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. is also on tonight. I think that's it. I think the 100's on, but I don't watch that show, so yeah, sorry. Every so often I might have to do this just to keep my phone from dying on me. So anyways, so it kind of looks like, unless it happens to appear tomorrow, that the whole car vehicle thing is not going to happen. Because it was supposed to happen with the latest update. Didn't happen yesterday. I haven't played it today, so I couldn't tell you whether it's actually been on the game today or not. But it hasn't been up yesterday, so what else is there to talk about? It kind of sounds like by the end of this month or the beginning of August, most Cineplexes will be open. I mean, it'll be a limited amount. Sorry. A limited amount will be open, but there will be some open. So, okay, I'm gonna end it now because it's starting to rain harder than I would like. So, and I pretty much don't have anything else to say. So whenever you watch this, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and hopefully my phone doesn't die. Bye.